today we got a bathroom that we're gonna be doing the tub surround on. And you can see they did a repair there. So we'll be putting in a new valve as well as tile around the tub. And we'll probably take it all the way up to the ceiling. And also doing LVP on the floor. So stay tuned. So as you can see, this tub was done sheetrock on top of sheetrock. And usually that's what you get when you don't get any type of waterproofing behind it. So we got a lot of mold here. So we're gonna change this valve out and we'll cut this sheetrock all the way out to that point and put in backup board, cement board. And we'll go from there. dry overnight. Come back and grout. And we'll start installing the floor and put in a new toilet.